That's all those bits done. All these bits I buy from eBay. God bless America. America for inventing eBay. You know, it's amazing. But love it, love eBay. I do. You get some good deals on that if you look around. There are some expensive stuff on there as well. The only trouble is, which I don't understand, is why has England and America stopped C-mail? I asked USPS, where it is, in America a few years back, why they stopped, and they said there was no demand for it. And yet I know quite a few people who buy heavy items or items in America, and we're in no rush for it, so we send it by sea. Now it's ridiculous. Most of those countries, I think, because they're making money out of the post. I know in this country, Australia Post make a hell of a lot of money out of parcel deliveries, more so than, I think they're getting more than letters now. And I think that's what England and America's done. They've realised how much money to be made of it, and they reckon, oh, they're not making enough out of C-mail, so they say, oh, it's all sent it by airmail, and it costs you an arm and leg, and you're restricted to how much you can send. And if anybody has any idea of sending stuff from overseas via air freight, I would advise you not to do it. For example, the swinging arm here. I've got one of these, another one. It cost me £10 in England to buy. It cost me £10 to be shipped out here by air freight or sea freight or whatever, but freight, you know, private, because a relation of mine worked in the air freight business, so she sent it out for me, and it cost me $250 to get it out of the importers here. It cost me $100 for paperwork. It cost me $90 for Aquis to come down and look at it to say it was nice enough to be brought into, and then it cost me something else for GST or state, you know, taxes and like that. It is ridiculous, you know. So a $10 item or a $20 item ended up costing me nearly $300. and it doesn't matter how you get it here. When it's cheap getting here, but when it gets here, the freighters charge you an arm and a day for you to get out their warehouses, and especially when Aquis is involved as well. In fact, I phoned up Aquis about that, and he says he gets thousands of phone calls about this, and basically, and I agree with him, don't send it by freight. In fact, this item, if I sent it by, Parcel Force in the UK, it would have cost me $100 cheaper to send it by Parcel Force. So, Australian beware, buyer beware. Do not send stuff unless you can afford it, or else it's really big, by sea freight or air freight. Right. So those bits. Now, I'm going to have to recompose this video camera. I'm going to have to put this on the floor.